Is your dog's cough just from excitement or something more serious? Let's break it down. An occasional cough is normal, but if it's happening daily, sounds harsh, or comes with low energy, it might need attention. Here are 3 natural ways to support your dog's wellness. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate the throat. Limit exposure to smoke, dust, or harsh cleaners. Try soothing ingredients like licorice root or slippery elm. Many dog-safe products include these. Of course, if your dog's cough changes or worsens, always check with a vet to rule out anything serious. Does your dog cough often? Share what helps, or ask your questions below. We're here for your pup. Like and follow for natural dog wellness tips, or visit holistapet.com for holistic solutions that support calm, happy pups.